many days was Jesus in the tomb?
40.
For how many days was Jesus in the tomb?
3. I was thinking of 3.
What happened on Palm Sunday?
Jesus arose from the dead.
And where did he go?
To the house. I forgot.
Jesus entered Jerusalem on a donkey
Oh, no.
just before his death.
I'll let you know that.
Who baptized Jesus?
John.
Full name?
John the Baptist. That's not really. But that's not really.
Where was Jesus crucified? Place. Name of place.
Kingdom.
Jesus was crucified in
That's it. On top of a mountain.
Jerusalem.
Just kidding.
How many apostles did Jesus have?
10. This is medium level.
Which is the most sold book in the world?
The Bible.
Most sold book in the world.
The Holy Bible.
Where did Jesus grow up?
Bethlehem.
Jesus grew up in
What does that mean?
Nazareth.
Nazareth.
Who were the 10 commandments given to?
No, Moses. Moses is
Who was given the coat of many colors?
Joseph.